friends. Well, this turned out fantastic. The new conning tower is really coming along nicely. It's going to be a little bit heavier than I wanted, but you know, heavy and strong is never a bad thing. So obviously I've got this bent and welded together. I still have to finish welding it. It'll take me at least half a day today to weld this all up. And if it cools down in time, then I'll get it put into the lathe and start machining. I have to machine this top surface because the welding is going to cause it to warp. I don't know how much, doesn't matter. I want to take some weight off anyways because it's so heavy. So then the next thing after this is machined, then I weld it to a plate on the bottom so that I can cut the window openings. Oh, here's a fun fact about this. The roundness of all the parts on a submarine has to be within a spec, and it's 1% of diameter, except where you put a window. There is an allowance for when you put a window in, it goes out of round, and that's because when you cut this hole here, it's going to move and distort. Oh, a mouse just went by. Boy. Anyways, so I'll weld this to a plate and cut these out. Now I have to go back to work next week, so I probably won't get to that part. I won't have time. But I will get this machined, and I may actually start working on the hatch if there's time. So I have to machine this to a smaller diameter, this land, so it matches the hatch, and that's just so that it looks good. And the hatch, I have to get it in the lathe, and what do I have to do? Oh yeah, I'm putting a window in the top of the hatch, and I'm replacing the locking mechanism. I don't like the way it locks. I mean, the locking mechanism is fine, but you have to turn the handle 50,000 times to lock it and unlock it, and I want it to be quicker. So I haven't quite decided how I'm going to do that, but that won't be a problem at all. So today's project, weld this baby up and maybe get it into the lathe. Ciao.